Financial freedom, yeah, that's the goal. Invest your time, invest your soul. Save it, stack it, watch it grow. Generational wealth, Coach Flow.
I want to welcome everyone back to another episode of Generation Investors Podcast. And I have one question for you. Would you like to make passive income? Would you like to make residual income? Okay. This income that can pay not only your everyday bills, your mortgage, your rent, these stocks that I'm going to share with you, 5 to be exact, 5 dividend paying stocks that you can start today. All right. And so when it comes to our economy, there is so much inflation has only gotten more and more and more over time. And when it comes to our wages, they really have been plateauing. It hasn't really matched up with the cost of living. And so these dividend paying stocks will definitely pay your everyday living expense if you continue to be consistent and diligent. And so first one when we start with is SCHD. Okay, SCHD. And I like this particular dividend stock because it's very diverse. It's very diversified when it comes to the companies that's within this particular stock. You have Home Depot, you have Coca-Cola, PepsiCo, Chevron, you have United Health. All these companies are in this particular dividend stock right here. And I will continue to add more shares to my portfolio because at the current price of it roughly bounces between $32 to $33 a share. This is a steal. Okay. This is a steal. This is a long-term banger. Okay. Over time, this right here will continue to fund my lifestyle, and hopefully it will fund yours too if you tap into this one. And we want to move into number 2 is STAG, STHG. All right, STAG to be exact. And this particular stock right here it has companies like the warehouses. It has companies that's tied to Amazon. So you have all these Amazon warehouses, right? And they have a partnership with this particular company. Okay, so all the Amazon warehouses that you see around here, they pay STAG. Okay, basically they lease off the properties, and STAG is one of those companies that they have to pay. And that's why STAG is a no-brainer. Okay. And so I look for STAG, as long as there has Amazon warehouses around us and across the globe, STAG is going to continue to make money. And other warehouses, not just Amazon, but Amazon is definitely a large percentage that STAG is partnership with. And so moving on to realty income. Realty income, I heard about realty income back in 2020 to 2021. And this one right here, if you looking to get into real estate, not necessarily having a property of real estate, but becoming a hands-off, I should say more so hands-off investor in real estate, realty income is definitely that number one player. And it has companies that they also leased off of. I'll give you the name few. CVS, Home Depot, Walgreens, 7-Eleven. So all these companies uses and leased off of realty income. Okay. And so they have to pay realty income, which in turn give the investors like you and I, okay, give us the dividend paying out. And realty income has been consistently, they call this the dividend paying stock. That means they ain't missed a beat. Year after year after year, it's rewarding its investor for holding their particular company, okay, or a particular stock in their portfolio. So realty income over time, I do believe if you tap into this particular stock. This one right here will pay you monthly. Okay, just pay you monthly and build, and watch that payout. Watch that and just reinvest. Okay, reinvest and watch that snowball effect, that compound interest build up over time. And let's move on to one of my favorite ETFs. I've said in the past and I'll say it again, and I'm gonna keep on saying it. SPMO. That's right. The best momentum ETF. For those who are new to the investing game, get you some SPMO. And you say, Coach Flo, whoa. I don't even know what you're talking about. I'm glad you asked, because SPMO is an ETF that has our heavy hitting companies like Apple, like Amazon, like Google, like Nvidia. A percentage of those companies are in SPMO. And when I say the momentum continue to go, SPMO is the way to go, especially if you're a new investor. And not to mention, it pays. That's right, pays the monthly dividend. And over time, I'm definitely looking to make bank with this one. I got this one in my Roth. I'm building up a Roth and working on another segment to talk about a Roth. For those who like saying, what is a Roth? Don't worry, I'm gonna do my research and I'm gonna bring that Roth IRA. Okay, it's different from a traditional IRA. Roth IRA, when I say long term, most wealthy people use Roth IRA. But back to SPMO, I got this in my Roth and I got this for my son's custodial account. I'm actually working on a segment on that as well. And I also have this in my other portfolios. So I have SPMO in different portfolios because I look long term to really make bank off of this particular ETF. And then I want to leave you with QQQI. That's right, QQQI. That's 3 Qs. That's right. And this one right here, this is another one I continue to hold in my portfolio because it pays monthly as well. It too have the heavy hitters, the Apples, the Googles, the Amazon, those companies and percentages in this particular ETF that pays out monthly. And I look to long term to make bank with QQQI. And so let me know in the comments below, are you buying dividend stocks? And what other dividend stocks I didn't share on this particular segment that you would like for me to talk about on the upcoming segment? And so definitely, I wanted to leave you with investing is not gambling. That's right. Investing is not gambling. For those who looking to get rich quick, investing is not it for you because you are gambling. Investing is not gambling and gambling is not investing. Two different things. Okay. Two different things. If you're looking to get rich overnight, it's not going to happen. I promise you that. Investing is built for long-term wealth. Long-term. I'm talking 5, 10, 20, 30, 40. That's what you have to have your mindset when you come into this space. If you looking to get rich overnight, you're playing the wrong game. You're playing the wrong game. You got to play the long game when it comes to investing. And so for those who consider investing or getting their feet in investing and want to invest, think long term. Change short term. Short term don't work when it comes to building up wealth. And we're talking about generational wealth. We're talking about financial freedom. And if you're talking about opening your own business or walking away from your 9 to 5, investing long term can have you do that if you do it right. Don't get me wrong. Wealth and people who get wealthy, the stock market rewards those, but it also rewards patience too. That's why I said, if you're trying to get rich overnight, this is the wrong game for you. So if you have enjoyed this episode, smash that thumbs up, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.